Good evening. Thank you for being here with us tonight. My name is Kelvin. My family and I are honored by your presence at tonight's tribute in the name of our late father, Charles Kojufusu, also known to the world as Daddy Lumba. We gather here today in deep gratitude for the life of our father, for the love he gave us, and the legacy he leaves behind.
My name is Denise, lady. Behind the spotlight, my father was a man who cared deeply, and he loved fiercely. He taught us all resilience. He taught us strength. He gave from his spirit without ever needing applause. He showed up when it mattered and left people better than he found them. Father, you are larger than life, but to us, you are home. Rest well.
So, I'm speaking for my sister, Sierra, and myself, Charlene. The last words to his fans. We want to thank you, all of you guys, for supporting him over the years. Without your support, he wouldn't be Daddy Lumba. Thank you for coming, and we will love you and remember you guys. Thank you so much.
Yedamasi bebre. Yedamasi bebre. Yedamasi bebre.
All right, at this stage, we'd like to put the portrait of Daddy Lumba here. Shall we please have it, please? Oh, there it is. If we can please bring it to the center. Together with the artwork that was done live. No. Let's take a bit further. Okay. Yes. So we're asking the lovely children to please come forward. Yes. First, you can put the flower on it. Yes, please. Just come place the flower there. Great. And this is for Daddy. The other one, please. Okay, so at the stage, I'd like to hand over to his lovely wife for her tribute.
Good evening, Ghana. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Erekia Hayford, and I'm reading this tribute on behalf of Daddy's wife. My love, how do I begin to speak of a man whose voice carried the soul of the nation, yet whispers to me were the sweetest melodies of all? You were not just Ghana's musical treasure, you were my heart's companion, my protector, my joy. Behind the spotlight and the applause, you were the man of tenderness, wisdom, and quiet strength. I saw the depth of your spirit in the way you held our family close, in the way you called me Odobroni, without infectious smile that never faded. You gave your life to music, and through it, you gave yourself to us all. But I was blessed to know the man behind the legend, the one who would hum unfinished lyrics while stirring tea, who would hold my hand when the world felt too loud, who would pause a studio session just to ask if I was okay. Now the silence feels unbearable. The studio is quiet. The stage is still. But your legacy sings on in every home, every heart, every soul that ever found healing in your voice. I will carry your name with pride. I will protect your memory with grace. And I will continue to live in a way that honors the love we shared and the life you led. Rest well, my king. You were my forever song. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Now we'll do the presentation of the candle. Please, you're taking this candle home. Light it. And the flame will flame and keep on flaming forever. Because that gentleman forever lives.
Well, Kelvin, this is from His Excellency, the President of Ghana, to the family, that you light this candle while it's reminding you that your father lives on. The whole Ghana is mourning with you. You hear from the President. Thank you.
Denise, once your iconic family, we thank God for your dad's life, for his impact on this country and beyond. From the great people of Ghana, this is from all of us to the family.
All right, thank you very much.